Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I hope that you liked the previous demo about this original lamp. Now you can see in the right, that's my first version with simple white LED. In the middle, it's one project with RGB in a single chip. And in the left side, you can see RGB LED in different chip, different for red, green and blue. And as you can see, there's a little difference between left and middle. Middle looks only one color, and in the left you can see the different colors of the LED. You can see different red, different blue and different green. Please put a comment and tell how you like more. When it's in only one color like in the middle, or in different colors like in the left. Now let's see some effects. Now you can see there is the same effect from the remote, but in the left there is some sequential effect because they are in a different position, the LEDs. And that's why I decided to start with the left version. And if you want, and put some comments, and I will make also the middle version. Now I will show you what parts I will use. First of all, I will use this LED strip 5 meters, but I will cut only just I need. I will use this brick stone. I prepared this wood, I cut it, and I apply 2 layers of varnish. And I will use this piece of aluminium. I will put in the description exactly how I made this and the dimensions of this piece of aluminium. Now, first of all, I will cut these LED strips, and I will put inside this, I put the LED strips inside. I made here connection between left and right. And now let's make some tests. 12 volts power supply, green, red, let's put all together. Now let's mount to the glass. Something like this. Now let's power this up. This is how it's lighting. This is the light. Now let's continue the project. Now this project is almost ready. I just have to put everything together. This is the base. This is the supply. This is the supply connector. And this is the PCB. In the beginning, I will let this remote receiver inside to see if it's working. If it will not work, I will take this out. Now I just have to solder the power supply. Now let's make a short test. I will use my power supply to see the current consumption. It seems it worked perfect. And now let's see if it's working. Off, on, blue, green, red. Now it's working perfect. I have to put everything back. Now I hope that everything works perfect. Off, on, red, green, blue, white. Now this project is finished. You will have all the details in the description if you want to make a project like this. If you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.